Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a form on TurboTax. First, open your tax return in TurboTax. Once your return is loaded, look for the Tax Tools option, usually found on the left-hand side or top menu bar. Click on Tax Tools to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, you will select Tools to proceed to the next step. This will open a new window with various helpful functions for managing your tax forms. After selecting Tools, a pop-up window will appear. Look for the option that says Delete a Form and click on it. This will display a list of all the forms currently included in your tax return. Carefully scroll through the list to find the exact form you want to remove. Once you've identified it, simply click the Delete button located right next to that specific form. After clicking Delete, TurboTax will usually ask you to confirm your decision. Make sure you are deleting the correct form before proceeding. Once confirmed, the form will be removed from your return. It's always a good practice to quickly review your tax return to ensure everything looks correct after making such a change. Don't forget to save your progress before closing TurboTax. Remember, deleting a form can significantly impact your tax calculations, potentially changing your refund or amount due. Always take a moment to double-check your entire return for accuracy after removing any forms. This ensures you're filing correctly and avoiding any unexpected issues. Also, for great deals and to find the Owala water bottle mentioned, check out the link in the description below. Staying hydrated is important, and we've got some fantastic offers waiting for you there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.